a viewer asked if I could take the flashing light map and overlay it with a blank map, and I did. And now you can see the names of some major cities and states where there's an overwhelming presence of these blue lights that I placed on the map. And I don't think there's necessarily any pattern here. The reason there's so many more east of the Mississippi River and in Texas is because the population is so much greater. It's just the way the map is evolving with regard to the population. The population is much denser east of the Mississippi River and, of course, in Texas and Florida. I've got an update that I want to share with you guys. The map is up to 241 right now. I also received a video that I'm still working on from Maria out of Broken Bow, Oklahoma. She says in the video here that she used to laugh at these flashing lights that people were seeing all across the country and around the world for that matter, until it happened in her house. The light switch was off and a light started flashing in her house and actually woke her up. And she says in that video that I'll share with you guys here in a day or two, she said she's not laughing anymore once it happened inside of her house. It is a real phenomenon that's sweeping the earth. 241 now in the United States and counting, and I've got 200 more that I'm still working on. And here we go. First flashing TV video going to Irwin, Tennessee. Video footage sent in by Mike and Tierra from February 22nd, 2025. First flashing TV video I've gotten. Gotten hundreds of flashing lights inside, outside. This is the first flashing TV video that I've gotten. Going up to Austin, Quebec, Canada. Check this out. Flashing light down in the basement. For unknown reasons, had never seen that before. Going from Canada down to Abilene, Texas. Video footage taken by Chris Acosta on February 22nd, 2025. You couldn't help but notice the flashing gas station sign over there in broad daylight. Apparently, this is not a normal thing. They're normally on full time, not blinking. And going up the road to Oklahoma, video number 4 sent in by Josh, taken on February 21st. Notice these flashing lights above these doorways here at a facility that he was at early in the morning. They normally don't blink. Moving on to video number 5, going to Denver, Colorado. This video has a narration. Here we go.
Denver, Colorado. This is Broadway and I think Alameda. Downtown, Denver, Colorado. We got flashing intersection lights. This intersection never flashes. You drive on it every day.
Both those videos were taken on February 21st, and she never sees those lights flashing. Going to Louisiana, video footage sent in by Charles, once again from February 22nd. Very busy day. Pulled into this gas station, convenience store. Noticed the canopy lights above the gas pumps were off. The place looks like it's open, and then there was a light on the back of the property that was flashing that normally doesn't flash. Another video out of Louisiana. Louisiana is on the map. Once again, there's 241 locations on this map alone, and I've got over 200 more locations that I'm currently working on right now as I do this video.